Callie. Just walk right in there, Matthew.
Okay.
Callie. If it goes this way, that'll be your shot.
Oh, darn.
Girl, son.
Ah.
Good point, girl.
Good girl.
Hey, you got to shoot through trees and all.
Yeah, I feel like I could have shot it here.
No, you got to get it up.
I know.
He got it. I could have killed him. I thought, I'm going to let Matthew shoot.
Once
Good
it got
girl.
here, there was too much shoot through.
No, you got to shoot through that.
I know.
It will go through it. She's on point again. Whoa. There went another one. You got that. All right, hang on a minute. We'll go recover in a minute. There might be more in here.
That's awesome.
And you see how she ran around in here and missed them.
There's another point.
No. Come here, Annie. Good girl, Annie. You just got to get the wind right. And that's where it was sitting at. As soon as you took a step, it said, I can't do no more. Let's go recover this one. Annie.
All right, Callie, next bird's yours.
What?
Next bird's yours.
If it goes my way.
No, you got to get on front though.
Annie.
So are we just going to be able to find this bird like the dog's going to find it?
Oh, yeah. I see it fall.
I seen it fall too, but it still looks alive.
Not dead in here. Not dead in here. Dead. Come on. Get in here. Run him up. Brandon, she got it. Good girl. He's laid right in the creek. Good girl. Come here. Come here. Come here. Good girl. Pick you up, Matthew.
Oh my goodness.
Good girl. Good girl.
Oh, that thing's crazy looking.
Good girl. Hey, I'll get your picture in just a second.
That thing's crazy looking.
Yep. If you'll look, and that's a female.
Okay.
By the long beak.
Mhm.
You see the eyes on the back of the head?
Yeah.
Its ears right here. So it can listen into the ground.
That's crazy.
And because it sits all the time head down. That's an older bird. The primary feathers and secondary feathers are long.
Yeah.
So, good bird. I'll get you a picture of her in the daylight in a minute. Where's the at, Callie? Oh.
So we just basically walked past him.
We walked right past him. I know he was right here close, but I thought he cleared the creek. Whoa. I got a point, Callie. I'm going to take it.
Oh, you got him.
Yeah.
Good shot.
That was with 410 through all that brush.
That's a lot of brush to be shooting through too.
You got to learn to shoot it.
Oh my goodness. Oh, here he is.
Really?
Yeah, right here.
Right here, I see him. Pick him up. Hey, man, Annie. Come right by there.
I thought he might have been right here, but I never did see him. He's perfectly
get up
good.
a second. Come here, dead bird. I
Dead
just
bird.
walked her right by there.
Yeah. Where's it at?
Hunt him up.
It's dead. Where's it at?
See, there's no scent.
That's crazy.
Annie, she smells on your fingers.
Look right here. Right there. Look right there. Look, it's a bird. Yeah,
Good
it's a
girl.
bird.
All right, pick it up. Good girl.
Nice.
That's a male. See how much shorter the beak is?
Oh yeah.
All right.
Awesome.
Move our way out of